This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, nakasisiguro gamot ay laging bago.
Reproductive health. There's more to reproductive health than the RH bill. It's not only about contraception and family planning. Ngayong umaga, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mapapangalagaan ang inyong reproductive system. This is Generation RX, now signing on. With regards to this aspect of our health, each and every one should be a critic of their own body. Want to know why?
Reproductive health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of illness or infirmity in relation to all matters regarding reproductive health with its functions and processes. You might think you don't have any illnesses, you're healthy. No, you have to see a doctor because the doctor will guide you also if you have any problems. Women are generally more sensitive. We get infected more often and we have a lot of factors to consider. Aside from the reproductive organs, which is the cervix, kuwelo ng matres, uterus, fallopian tube, and ovaries, we have this psychological difficulty sometimes to attain sexual satisfaction. Pagdating sa men, it's the same. The reproductive organs can get infected also. I just want men to understand that if they get any sexually transmitted diseases, they can transfer it to their partner. Then it can cause reproductive health problems in the future for the female. Even for males, but more on the females. Not everybody knows about the methods on how to prevent it. So one is sexually transmitted diseases. Second, any disease that can affect the reproductive system like cancer. Sometimes naman, walang problema physically, yung kuwelo ng matres, yung ovary, pero cannot get pregnant. That's another problem. Infertility for women. And it also affects men because 50% of infertility is caused by men. So for women, please see a doctor even before you want to have a baby. Actually, as early as 10 years old, girls can have vaccination. Now, that's one way of taking care of your reproductive system because it's a vaccine to prevent cervical cancer. Then this will help you in the future if you want to have a baby.
Sa pagbabalik ng Generation RX, mga paraan ng tamang pangangalaga ng ating reproductive health, ating alamin. Alam nyo ba na meron tinatawag na reproductive rights? Alamin natin kung ano-ano ang mga ito.
The definition of reproductive right is the right of a person to have a safe and satisfying sex life. So that's one. Second, the capability to reproduce, the freedom to decide if, when, and how to do it, which is very controversial. Then third is men and women should have access to good forms of contraception that is safe, effective, acceptable, and accessible, that will not break any law without discrimination, violence, and coercion. We see a lot of patients with unwanted pregnancies. It's something that is so frustrating because we're trying to educate and these are educated women. So parang how come they get pregnant unwanted? One more thing, male. They have to be involved because they have to think of the children in the future, no? So kawawa yung mga bata. So don't treat yourself. If you think you have any infections, especially vaginal discharge, go to the doctor. If you have irregular menstruation or you feel pain in the abdominal area, do not listen to your friends. So sometimes the friends give you this medicine because that's what their doctor gave them.
Unfortunately, the sexual reproductive health right is not widely known by majority of the Filipinos. Isa rin ito sa mga dahilan kung bakit maraming mga Pinoy sa ngayon ang nagkakasakit sa kanilang reproductive system. Reproductive health is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being in all matters relating to the reproductive system at all stages of life.
To every woman, please see a doctor. If you feel like you feel something, don't feel that you will be discriminated. Nobody should discriminate you. You should know your rights. Actually, you can look at the website of DOH. The rights for each person, men or women, reproductive health right is there. There are 13 reproductive health rights. You should know your rights And please take care of yourself because you only have one reproductive system. If you don't take care of yourself now, it might affect your fertility in the future and even your children.
Ngayong Sabado ng umaga, natutunan natin ang kahalagahan ng reproductive health sa ating buhay. Sa mga nag-like sa amin sa Facebook, maraming salamat po. For more health tips and information, type Generation RX. Kaya mga kabarkada, see you all again next week. This is Generation RX, your health and travel show that keeps you informed. Now, signing